What you're seeing is the new YMCA. It cannot exist in its past. The community is demanding change and we're responding. Leaders around the country have already recognized this and they're calling us out, wanting to know how we've done this. And I've been listening to the words they use to describe what they hear. And here's what they say. They refer to us as audacious, visionary, bold, courageous, out of the box. Those are the words that our friends around the country are calling this progress.
Breaking ground here at the Northeast YMCA today is a signal of hope. It's a signal of how the YMCA has always been a part of this community, bringing partners together. We have always served as a convener. And so here in 2023, what better way to capture all of the ways that we can provide services for the community that have never been provided here on this site ever before.
And we've heard the words, well, I heard you're closing. We've heard the words, I heard y'all were leaving. We heard the words, it'll never be anything. We heard the words, you can't stay there, the whole community's gone away. But today we hear the words, here for community, here for change, and here for good, because you believe that we could do this. So I want to say,
and so all of our plan is centered around unmet needs and disparities in our community.
So logically, when we first heard about the vision that the YMCA of Greater Birmingham had for Roebuck in the Northeast community, we knew we had to be a lead donor in this effort. We knew we had to jump in and provide resources and support to see it through.
This development is transformational. It is not just meeting one need. It is meeting all the needs of this community, including more educational opportunities, housing, and a great place to just congregate, meet, hang out together, and be a neighbor.
Our partners include Habitat for Humanity that's going to build 23 homes. Impact Family Council is going to establish a mental health clinic for family counseling, affordable care. We have Christ Health that's going to put a first-class pediatric clinic right in our property, right inside of our building. And they're going to be addressing some of the huge disparities that our children face in our community. Food deserts. United Way and the Meals on Wheels is going to be a partner so that we can have a distribution program for affordable and healthy and nutritious food. And lastly, we're going to expand our pre-K programs in partnership with the state of Alabama. Those are the partnerships we have assembled because we know we can't do it by ourselves.
Child care has always been a big part of what we've done, but how great is it that you can go to after school care, you can go to summer day camp, you can even be in first class pre-K and live right across the street. That's never been a possibility, but now we're going to have an actual community. People will live here. People will work here who've never worked before. People will be able to go to a pediatric clinic right here at the YMCA site.
With access to all these opportunities, this community will have a much brighter future, a better future that I'm really excited to see.
This is how we win. I believe that we have to be the change that we want to see. The days of where we can talk, that's no longer going to get it. We're going to have to invest. So I want to thank everyone who has invested in this vision. I look forward to as
Those who matter are those who are in our youth center every day, who visit our camps, who come to our locations, who benefit from all that you have done to help us get here today. So thank you for getting us here today.
The donors that we have, without Regions Bank leading that first gift and being an inspiration for others to give, none of this would be possible.
It's a great day for the YMCA, and I'm excited because this is 5 years of intense effort coming to fruition, and we only have our donors and our volunteers to thank.
Years from now, people who are under this tent will be talking about what they did here. And it is because of your hard work. And so on behalf of the grateful city, I want to thank you all for making this a reality. You're literally changing lives. You're literally improving the quality of life of our citizens and of our residents. So thank you so much.